Hi, we are Team Now Bharat from students of GRPS Vidya Mandir and Junior College, Narayangao District, Pune, Taluka Juन्नर, Maharashtra State. Myself C.R. Rituparna Meher.
Myself Shreya Rajesh Neherkar.
Myself Aditi Mangesh Gaikwad.
And myself Kalyani Ganesh Thorat.
We are here to introduce the new era in banana farming with the help of artificial intelligence. Importance of banana farming. The mostly consumed fruit in India, 37% of India's total fruit production. It plays a major role in livelihood of small and marginal farmers, sensitive to irrigation, nutrient management and climatic stress by making it ideal candidate for precision of the farmer and AI-based interventions. Banana cultivation in India in last 5 years, export growth of banana from India in 2018-2023. Banana cultivation in Maharashtra, total area under banana is 85,000 hectares. Major districts Jalgaon, Nanded, Solapur, Kolhapur, Pune, Nashik, Aurangabad. Contribution to the Maharashtra is one of the India's top 3 banana producing states.
You wonder what are the problems and challenges faced by banana cultivation. Here, this challenge increase cultivation cost while reducing yield and degrading soil. First of all, over and under irrigation. Irrigation is commonly based on fixed schedules with its soil fertility and soil techniques. Unbalanced fertigation. Excessive or unbalanced fertilizers application often leads to toxicity and stress to the farmers. Late detection and deficiency of diseases. It is difficult to detect earlier stage and nutrients, so often going unnoticed until visible symptoms.
So, we have AI as solution for it. AI collects data from many sources, for example, soil sensor, satellite images, etc. AI learns from patterns. It collects data given by many farmers and learns. Then AI can advise in simple languages. It can advise farmers in very simple languages. AI powered solutions in banana farming. Smart irrigation schedules. AI can give irrigation schedules to farmer. Targeted nutrition management. It recommends right fertilizers to farmers. Early deficiency and diseases. It can also detect diseases which crops can detect. Then water stress monitoring. It can identify drought areas before the drought. Local languages, voice advisories. It is the main point. This can talk in the local languages with farmers. For example, farmers in Maharashtra can talk in Marathi language with that AI. Continuous learning and improvement. It adapts local condition and farmers' practices. Continuous learning means it learns continuously and then gives solutions to farmers.
How this app is formed? This app is formed by core developer. It gives us benefits such as we can register it in many local languages. We can also see satellite images to see crop health and water stress. It tells us about weather forecast, about rain, temperature and humidity. After uploading images, after registering in the app, we can also detect diseases which are going to happen to the crop before only.
At last, I think that this project will help India to become Atmanirbhar Bharat. Thank you.